In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these chemistry problems under sodium. So guys, we have two repeated questions to practice with for this topic. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, which of the following, when heated strongly in air, will leave a metal as residue? We have sodium triose 5, silver triose 5, lead 2 triose 5, potassium triose 5. So right answer to this question is option B, which is silver triose 5. This is a compound that when heated strongly in air will leave a metal as a residue. Alright, so the next question, which is the last one we have here, is this one. It says, which of the following metals exist as liquid at ordinary temperature? So the right answer is option A, mercury. Guys, very important, take note of this particular question. It often comes out. So this basically can do problems under sodium for chemistry practice with two repeated questions for this topic, sodium. Hope there's something interesting from this video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If it seems to have any specific question to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button. You'll be getting premium information and help you to excel in student exam for writing. Alright, so having done this, click on the screen above, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.